that he said, or the voices in your head calling Gloria? Gloria, don't you think you're falling? If everybody wants you, why isn't anybody calling? You don't have to answer, leave him hanging on the line. Hey, 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 calling Gloria. Gloria, how you gonna go down? Will you meet him on the main line, or will you catch him on the rebound? Will you marry for it?
Okay. Randy.
Oh, God, dude, I don't even know what to say.
Now, I don't know if you can match up to that. This is Michael Lawson. He's our idol hopeful. He's joining us again tonight. That was an impressive performance by Ian.
Yeah, it was. Yeah, that first hour was just an emotional roller coaster. I was all over the place.
Sure.
Up and down. We got some questions last night emailed to us, and we're going to ask you a few of those. We're going to let you perform a little bit later. But our first question from one of our viewers, which of the judges do you think liked your singing best when you tried out?
Simon. Because he smiled more than everyone else. You saw in the commercial, Paula was smiling at me, but that wasn't true.
All
she
right,
was.
well, that's a bold statement.
Right.
Simon, that's good. That's a good sign, I think.
Okay.
Yeah.
Second question. Now, you tried out before, Michael. Why do you think you got through this time and not last time?
When I tried out last time, I was 17 years old. And I wasn't actually supposed to be there.
Okay.
And they gave me a shot, and I didn't step up to the plate because I was doubting myself. But this time, I gave myself confidence, and I stepped up to the plate, and they noticed, I guess.
The wisdom of experience.
Yeah.
Get some confidence. I see that in you. We're going to find out what viewers think about this question in a few moments. But, Michael, which runner-up do you think maybe should have won in the last few years of Idol? Which is your favorite runner-up?
My favorite runner-up...
It's got to be Catherine, right? I mean, I'm not prodding you in any way.
Actually, my favorite was Vonzo Solomon.
She was really good.
Yeah.
Vonzo gets forgotten. Yeah, she was really good.
All right. And we have one final question for you that we just got in, actually. And this gentleman wants to know, how did you end up doing? Now, we know there's more going on.
I don't know how I end up doing.
You don't know?
At this point, you've gotten to Hollywood, right?
And no one knows.
And you'll have to watch in 2 weeks. I'm sorry.
A true star right here. He's going to make it just fine. And I'll tell you what, we'll let you off the hook with that. But what we would like to do, if you tuned in last night, you saw Michael sing a little bit of Let's Get It On, which I personally enjoyed quite a bit.
He sang in her direction. Yeah.
It was quite fun. Can you sing us another song tonight? We enjoyed it so much.
I heard you guys wanted to hear my audition song.
Yeah,
love
that sounds good.
I can do a little bit of that for you.
We're going to step out and let you take center stage here, okay?
Me and Mrs. Jones, we got a thing going on. We both know that it's wrong, but it's much too strong to let it go now. We meet every day at the same cafe, 6:30. I know she'll be there. Holding hands, making all kinds of plans, while the jukebox plays our favorite song. And you have to tune in to hear the rest.
Okay.
And we will tune in.
Yeah.
He's awesome.
He's got a thing going on.
He
does.
You do.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. You did absolutely wonderful both nights. Good luck to you, and we'll be in touch, of course.
Best of luck. Thanks for coming in again, and I'm sure we will see you many times.
I'm sure you will.
Okay. Thank you very much,
Thanks, Michael.
Well, this week we did ask which runner-up you think actually should have won American Idol.
Yes, we did. And at the top of your list, oh gosh, I can't believe this, Katharine McPhee.
Yeah,
yes, with 44% of the vote. Clay Aiken got 34%. Bo Bice, 12. Diana DeGarmo, who I'm not really familiar with, I hope I'm doing that right, 9%. And from season 1, yes, you got it, Justin Guarini, 0.
0% for Justin Guarini. Yeah, Diana DeGarmo is the runner-up.
Did I mess up his name again?
Guarini.
Yeah, 0%.
He's kind of forgettable at this point. Diana DeGarmo, the run-up for Fantasia. Season 3, I think.